Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn guitar lead notes. We'll start by understanding the major scale, which is the fundamental building block for all lead playing. Then, we'll dive into the 5 essential pentatonic scale shapes, showing you how to navigate them across the entire fretboard. Finally, I'll guide you on connecting these shapes smoothly, helping you develop your own unique soloing style. Let's get started. The major scale is your melodic blueprint, offering 7 distinct notes that form the basis of countless melodies. For a more bluesy and rock-oriented sound, the minor pentatonic scale is indispensable, providing 5 powerful notes that are easy to manipulate. Focus on mastering both of these scales in at least 3 different keys. This will significantly expand your melodic vocabulary and give you more options when improvising. Consistent practice is key here. To truly unlock the fretboard, visualize the notes not just as individual dots, but as intervals and repeatable patterns. This approach helps you connect ideas across different positions. Next, integrate essential lead techniques like string bending, expressive vibrato, and smooth hammer-ons and pull-offs. These techniques add emotion and character to your playing. Always practice with a metronome to ensure your timing is impeccable, aiming for a consistent tempo. An effective practice routine is crucial for progress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused lead guitar practice every day, concentrating on specific scales, techniques, or licks. Recording yourself playing is an incredibly valuable tool. It allows you to objectively hear your performance and pinpoint areas needing improvement. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Expanding your resources, like books or online courses, can significantly accelerate your learning journey and keep you inspired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.